The generator invented by repulsion of permanent magnets has been a topic of much discussion, particularly in the book Magnet Motor, Making Free Energy Yourself. However, despite Brady's extensive promotion of his Perendev engine, the results have been less than promising. Numerous attempts to demonstrate the engine's capabilities under load were repeatedly postponed, leading to skepticism within the community. In 2010, Brady's legal troubles in Germany further cast doubt on the viability of his technology, especially since customers reported issues like demagnetization during long-term operation. While some enthusiasts have had limited success in replicating Brady's designs, mass production of a purely magnetic motor never materialized. This suggests that the Perendev motor, as initially conceived, may not have been as effective as advertised. Moreover, the shift towards incorporating electromagnets in more powerful machines implies that the original concept faced significant technical challenges. For those exploring free energy technologies, it's important to recognize that while permanent magnet systems offer intriguing possibilities, they are not the same as Tesla's groundbreaking AC generator technology. Tesla's approach focused on manipulating the back electromagnetic field, back EMF, to either eliminate or repurpose it, a concept that differs fundamentally from the magnetic repulsion strategy. Tesla's contributions to AC power were pivotal, but they followed a different path, one that involved comprehensive scientific validation and practical application, unlike the more speculative nature of magnetic motor designs like Brady's.